Welcome to Mid City School, Grade 6, Lecture 6, Plant Growth. In previous lectures, we discussed plant growth. In plant growth, we discussed photosynthesis, stomata, how stomata work and how photosynthesis work and how plants produce their food. In this video, we discuss about more plant and nutrients. Now, what are plants and nutrients? There are two main type of plant nutrients: autotrophic nutrient or heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, what are auto means self and trophic means food. Those plant or the process in which organisms prepare their own food are called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means that simple inorganic substance are taken in and used to synthesize organic molecules. Energy is needed to achieve this. Energy is required to achieve this or to do work. In phototrophic nutrition, light is the energy source. In most instant or most important, the light source is solar energy. The process being photosynthesis. Now, heterotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? Hetero means different or to take. Heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which organisms depend or independent upon other organisms for food to survive. They get their food from other organisms. Heterotrophic organisms have to take in all the organic substance they need to survive. All animals like fungi and non-photosynthesis plants are heterotrophic plants. Heterotrophic plants are subdivided into four categories: parasitic plant, saprophytic plant, and symbiotic plants and insectivorous plant. Now, what is parasitic plant? Parasitic plants are plants that depend on other plants. They take their food from other plants. Saprophytic plants are the plants they decompose that material to take their food. Symbiotic plants. Symbiotic plants are the plants that depend on other plants but they do not harm them. Insectivorous plant, as you know, they eat insects. Now we move toward our next slide. Our next slide is soil. What is soil? As you know, soil is a mixture or soil is formed when rocks wear down due to weathering, or when the storms come, the rock is break down and soil is made. So the soil is a mixture of organic material, minerals, gas, liquids and organisms that together support life. Soil is used greatly influence or important the growth and development of plants. Soil is very important for plants because they need soil to grow. We discuss about soil and now we discuss about type of soil. What are type of soil? There are different type of soils like clay soil, sandy soil or loamy soil. Now, what is clay soil? Clay is the smallest particle among the other two types of soil. It is very small in the clay. Particles are very small, very fine. The particles in this soil are tightly packed with each other. They are closely packed with each other with a very little or no air space. This soil has very good water storage or retain water well and making hard for moisture and air to penetrate into it. Now we move towards the sandy soil. It is a second type of soil. Is sand. It consists of small particles of weathered rocks or small rocks. Sandy soils are one of the purest type of soil growing plant because it has very low nutrient and poor in holding water, which make it hard for the plant to absorb water. Now we move toward the loamy soil. Loam is the third type of soil. It is a combination of sand and clay, such that the beneficial properties from each is included. Means both properties of sand and clay are included. For example, it has the ability to retain moisture and nutrients, hence it is more suitable for farming. This soil is also referred to as agriculture soil. Fertilizer. What is fertilizer? A chemical or natural substance added to soil or land to increase the fertility of the soil. Fertilizers are natural or artificial substances containing the chemical elements that improve growth and productivity of plants. Fertilizers enhance the natural fertility of the soil or replace the chemical element taken from the soil by previous crops. They are needed by plants for healthy growth. Type of fertilizer. Mineral salts are nutrients for plants. They are needed by plants for healthy growth. One way of providing plants with nutrition is to add fertilizer in the soil. There are two types of fertilizer: organic fertilizer or inorganic fertilizer. What is organic fertilizer? Organic fertilizers such as animal dung, fishes and bone meal are those that come from living things. They gradually release mineral salt to the soil as decomposer acts on them. Now, what is inorganic fertilizer? Inorganic fertilizer are man-made fertilizer or made in factories. They are artificial fertilizer produced from chemical and hence called chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers or inorganic fertilizer contain various types of mineral salts essential for plant growth. Some mineral salts are needed for leaf growth, others for healthy roots and flower formation. Thanks for watching my video.